So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Data Analytics with Python, week 4 assignment 4. So the first question is, given x bar is equal to 32, mu naught is equal to 30, sigma is equal to 10, n is equal to 30, alpha is equal to 0.05. Test h naught mu less than equal to 30 versus h1 such that mu greater than 30. The calculated z value is closest to, so these are the options: 0.87, 1.09, 1.64, 2.05. So the answer for our first question is B, 1.09. And now let's go to our question number 2. For a one-tailed test at alpha is equal to 0.05, if p value is equal to 0.137, the correct decision is, so these are the options: reject h0, accept h0, do not reject h0, insufficient data. So the answer for our second question is C, do not reject h0. And now let's go to our question number 3. Rejecting a true null hypothesis is called, so these are the options: type 2 error, power of the test, type 1 error, sampling error. So the answer for our third question is C, type 1 error. And now let's go to our question number 4. If the sample size is fixed and alpha is decreased, then beta will, so these are the options: decrease, increase, remain unchanged, become 0. So the answer of our fourth question is B, increase. And now let's go to our question number 5. A sample of 120 accidents show 67 due to drunk driving. Test h0 such that p is equal to 0.5 versus h1 such that p are not equal to 0.5. The test statistic z is closest to, so these are the options: 0.98, 1.15, 1.28, 1.64. So the answer for our fifth question is C, 1.28. And now let's go to our question number 6. If in a z test the p value is equal to 0.2006 and alpha is equal to 0.05, the decision is, so these are the options: reject h0, not enough evidences, do not reject h0, increase sample size. So the answer of our sixth question is C, do not reject h0. And now let's go to our question number 7. If sigma 1 square and sigma 2 square are known, the appropriate test statistics for mu1 minus mu2 is, so these are the options: t statistics, x squared statistics, z statistics, f statistics. So the answer for our seventh question is C, z statistics. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which hypothesis must always contain equality? So these are the options: alternative hypothesis, research hypothesis, null hypothesis, working hypothesis. So the answer for our eighth question is C, null hypothesis. And now let's go to our question number 9. Which action reduce both type 1 and type 2 error simultaneously? So these are the options: increasing alpha, decreasing alpha, increasing sample size, changing tail of test. So the answer for our ninth question is C, increasing sample size. And now let's go to our question number 10. In the past, 60% of the tourists who visited Delhi went to see Agra city. The management of Agra city recently undertook an extensive promotional campaign. They are interested in determining whether the promotional campaign actually increased the proportion of tourists visiting Agra city. The correct set of hypotheses is, so these are the options, and the answer for our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.